Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the 5 cool makeup gadgets you can buy on Amazon. Number 1. Vtop Mart Makeup Organizer. Introducing the Vtop Mart 25 pieces clear plastic drawer organizers set. Keep your makeup collection neat and organized with these versatile trays. The 4 different sizes fit perfectly into vanity drawers, while the non-slip silicone pads ensure stability. Create a clutter-free and beautiful makeup storage system with Vtop Mart. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Kintion Pocket Mirror. Introducing the Kintion Pocket Mirror, a must-have travel makeup accessory. Experience excellent daylight illumination for flawless makeup with its 1x3x magnifying mirrors. Compact and foldable, it easily fits in your pocket or purse. The 180-degree hinge and hidden magnetic power switch make it easy to use. This elegant mirror is a well-prepared gift, suitable for women of all ages, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, and special occasions. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Neeyer Makeup Brush Cleaner. Introducing the Neeyer Makeup Brush Cleaner Dryer, a game-changer in brush cleaning. This electric cleaner effortlessly cleans and dries your brushes in under a minute. It comes with 8 rubber collars of various sizes to fit different brushes. The portable one-button design makes it easy to use. Keep your skin healthy and brushes pristine with this efficient and effective cleaner. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Cold Face Eye Mask Ice Pack. Introducing the Cold Face Eye Mask Ice Pack, a versatile remedy for your eyes and face. Filled with gel beads, it functions as a hot or cold pack to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and dryness. It's ideal for improving sleep, shrinking pores, calming acne-prone skin, and providing relief after surgeries, headaches, and stress. This reusable mask is safe, effective, and convenient for beauty and first aid purposes. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. NEWKEY Red Blue Light Therapy Mask. Say farewell to acne and dull skin with the NEWKEY Red Blue Light Therapy Mask. This natural treatment utilizes dermatologist-approved technology to combat mild to moderate inflammatory acne, reverse aging, and improve skin tone. Experience a reduction of up to 88% in breakouts within 12 weeks. With 150 LED purity chips and 7 precise wavelengths, this mask delivers exceptional results. Reveal clear, glowing skin with NEWKEY's proven solution. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.